Introduction to Robotics Programming.
Robotics is a multidisciplinary field, blending engineering, computer science, and creativity. Choosing the right programming languages is vital for anyone aiming to build or control robots professionally. In this slideshow, we'll explore the most important languages for robotics careers and why mastering them can give you an edge in the fast-growing world of robotics.
Python, the versatile workhorse.
Python has become a cornerstone in robotics due to its simplicity and powerful libraries. It's widely used in prototyping, scripting, and artificial intelligence applications, including the popular Robot Operating System, or ROS. Beginners and experts alike rely on Python for rapid development, simulation, and testing, making it a must-learn language for robotics professionals.
C and C++ performance and control.
For high-performance tasks and hardware integration, C and C++ are essential. These languages allow precise control over hardware, real-time response, and efficient memory management, critical for robotics. Many robotics frameworks, drivers, and embedded systems are built with C or C++. So a solid foundation in these languages is key for any robotics engineer.
MATLAB, engineering and simulation.
MATLAB is widely used for robotics research, simulation, and algorithm development. Its robust toolboxes help engineers with tasks like kinematics, dynamics, and sensor data processing. While not always used on final robotic systems, MATLAB is invaluable in the design, analysis, and testing phases, especially in academic and research settings.
Java and embedded programming.
Java plays a role in robotics, especially in educational settings and with certain platforms. For embedded robotics, languages like Arduino's wiring, based on C++, are also crucial. Understanding these helps professionals build firmware, manage sensors, and interact with hardware, expanding the range of robotic systems one can develop.
Choosing the right language for your path.
The best language for you depends on your robotics goals. Python is perfect for machine learning projects and rapid prototyping, while C and C++ are critical for hardware control and performance. MATLAB excels in research, and Java or embedded languages suit specific environments. Mastering multiple languages opens more opportunities in robotics careers, enhancing both flexibility and expertise.